Hi friends, this is a fun book called Fidgety Fish. Fidgety means you can't sit still. So let's find out about this fish, why he can't sit still. He is orange and yellow. That's a pretty cool color for a fish. Tiddler was always fidgeting. He wiggled and squiggled, he darted and giggled, until Mom got fed up with him. Go out in the sea and swim till you're tired and want to watch. Watch out for the big fish, she said. So Tiddler swam out of his cave. He dived and he flipped, and he leapt and he dipped. He sped faster than a rocket and gilded gently in the sea, letting the sea creatures fan his fish. But he still didn't feel tired. The sea was full of the most interesting things. There were limpets that clung, and jellyfish that stung, and there was a big starfish that didn't do much at all. Hello, said Tiddler, nudging the starfish gently with his nose. The starfish didn't answer. It didn't even move. A crab slid by, clickety and clacking his big claws. Tiddler wanted to play with it, but the crab scuffled off and disappeared into the seaweed. Tiddler came upon a big cave. It looked much more exciting than his cave back home, so Tiddler swam in. Let's take a look at that cave. What do you see up here? Do you think it's really a cave? There's some fins on the side. Could it be a cave or could it be a big fish? Snap! Everything went dark. Where's Tiddler? Tiddler was trapped inside the big fish. He trembled and shivered. He shook and he quivered. Until the big fish's tummy began to feel very funny indeed. It rumbled and grumbled. It turned and it tumbled. It fluttered and groaned and mumbled and moaned. Looks like he's getting a little bit of a tummy ache. Until suddenly the big fish burped and burped. Swoosh! Up Tiddler shot. I think he came out really fast. What do you think? He shot past the jellyfish, the clickety crab hiding in the weeds, past the starfish, and straight through his own front door. Whew! He was safe at last. I hope you used up all the energy, his mom said. But she would have to wait until the morning to hear her answer about his adventures because Tiddler was already fast asleep. What do you think? Did he have a big adventure? So you're going to make your own Tiddler fish, your own fidgety fish. We're going to send some orange and yellow paint, and here's a fish. You're going to put on your scissors on your fingers, thumb in the thumb hole, the rest down below, and you're going to cut. Do the best you can. Remember when you're cutting to turn your paper, not your arm, and you're going to cut all the way around. And then paint however you want. Put it on, use a brush, use your fingers, whatever you choose to do, but have fun with it. Bye, friends.